Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this Python programming videos of shorts series, we are going to see here the concept of zip function with one more task, that is we need to convert our two list into a dictionary. Now how can we do this concept, right? So here basically we would be having two lists within our code and we need to convert out those lists into a dictionary. So dictionary, you guys are aware that dictionary is nothing but it's the combination of key value pairs, right? So key is nothing but it's the label for the data that means value, right? So if we're having, let's say, name, colon, Kajal. So name would be the key and Kajal would be the value. Let's move forward here. I'm going to give here a name. Okay, let's give the fruits name here. And accordingly, I will just allocate the quantity of those fruits, right? So first would be the apple. Second one would be the banana. Let's have the cherry. Else I can have the mango. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to just allocate the quantity of this fruits. Okay, so I've created out a new variable quantity. I'm giving out here, let's say apple is 5, banana is 6, cherry is 8, and I can have mango as 3. So I can just edit it out. Now I want that apple, it should label me, I mean it should give me the form in dictionary, right? So I'm just going to create another variable here, dict, okay, dictionary. Okay, let's just try to give another so this is dictionary is little bit odd. I'm just giving out here a result variable. Okay, so we know that dict is the keyword just to convert out any of the thing, right? Dict stands out for dictionary, right? I'm giving out my zip function inside which I'm just going to pass out my iterables. Iterables, that means the sequences. So I want my fruits list at the first position. Secondly, I can just give out my quantity, right? And if I'm just trying to print out simply my result, let's just try to get the answers in the dictionary form. That's apple 5, banana colon 6, cherry colon 8, and mango colon 3. So I'm just going to run the program. So that's what we received out within the curly braces. If you would see, apple has 5 quantity, banana has 6 quantity, cherry has 8, and mango has 3. This is how you can just try to convert out the list by the help of dictionary, I mean zip function, into the dictionary. I hope guys you understood the concept. We have just passed out, I mean I can say we have just typecasted out here, right? This list of zip, okay, into the dictionary. Thank you so much.